Welcome to this tutorial on how to set custom margins in PDFs using C#. How's it going, everyone? In today's tutorial, we'll learn how to set custom margins in PDFs using the IronPDF library in a C#.NET application. First, make sure that you have the IronPDF NuGet package installed in your project. If not, you can easily install it via the NuGet package manager. So let's go ahead and open up our program.cs file and start by importing the IronPDF namespace and set the license key for IronPDF. Prepare an HTML string with inline CSS to set the initial margins. So for example, set all margins to 50 millimeters within the HTML content. Instantiate the Chrome PDF renderer and set custom margins in the rendering options for each side, so top, left, right, and bottom, to 30 millimeters. This adds to the margins set in the HTML, resulting in a total of 8 millimeters for each side. Then render the HTML to a PDF document using the render HTML as PDF method of the Chrome PDF renderer. Save the generated PDF document to a file path using the save as method, and let's name it PDF with custom margins.pdf. To apply custom margins specifically to headers and footers, use the use margins on header and footer property in the rendering options. You can set the use margins on header and footer to apply all margins from the document or specify only the left, both left and right margins. So let's run the application to see the PDF generated with the custom margins. Okay, so the PDF reflects the combined margin settings from the HTML and the rendering options. And there you go. That's it. By following these steps, you can effectively set custom margins in your PDF documents using IronPDF in your .NET application. Again, we invite you to explore more advanced functionalities of IronPDF for versatile document generation tasks. We hope that you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more useful tutorials from Iron Software. And to get started, if you'd like, with IronPDF, please sign up for a trial on our site and continue to download and install the package and experience the power of the software firsthand. You can do so by clicking the link in the description below.